Welcome back, guys. If you remember vividly, we were able to create this blog post. Now I've edited and now I could publish. So to publish on this particular platform is very easy. I've added my featured image, I've added my category, and everything looks okay or seems okay for now. So I'm going to, you can come here to write about business, okay? So you could just make this tag business concept. So it's just a tag. So it could be business concept. Yes, the tag should be business concept. So I'm going to have that right now. So I have business concept as the tag for this. All I have to do is to publish this. But before we publish, let's template this article or a blog post on LinkedIn. So this is just an idea that if you have another platform you can blog on, it's not necessarily you have a blog before you blog. You can actually blog on places like LinkedIn. You can use other CMS tools. You can use a custom tool depending on what your client has as a content creator. You can actually blog from any platform. So let's use LinkedIn for an instance. So here is business knob actual LinkedIn page. So all I want to do now is to click on create to write an article. So I want to publish an article instead. So I'm going to click on publish an article. And right now we're going to have a different interface from what we did, but they all cover the same concept. So let's go into it one by one. So now let's say this is a custom build, and here you have to upload your featured image for a blog post. So I'm going to upload that, which is this, which we created. So I'm going to upload that as my featured image. So I'm going to have that right now. So I just uploaded the featured image. So I'm going to next this. So that works as our featured image. And now we have a caption. So a caption just tells you things about the image you are attaching. So here we have the title. As we have it here, we have the title right here. We're going to use the same title right now. So I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to come back here to input my title. So that's the title right there. So now we have that, and here is this. So it says this is what you're missing. Okay, here is what you are missing. So we have this as our business title, or as our blog title rather. So I'm going to have that right now, and the main blog post is right here. All I have to do is to copy this. So I want to copy all this from up to bottom so that I can have something to use on LinkedIn article. So I'm going to have everything copied right now from top to bottom this way, so we can use the same particular article to continue that. So I'm going to have all this. So here we are to the very last one. So I'm going to copy all this, then I'm going to come right here to write my body, the blog body post. So there we are. So I just did all I could to make sure we have this. So here we have an article. We've done the needful. All I have to do is to upload my featured image, which is right here. So I'll just upload my featured image right there, and all we could do is to publish what we just have. So here we have the full blog, and I can publish on both ends. So I could publish this right now. So all I have to do is to click on the publish button, then this will be published right away. So that's me publishing. And coming back here, we have this. So we have the featured image. All I have to do is to nest this once I have the featured image uploaded. So I just published this particular blog post, and when I try to view it, you see what we just did. So this is the blog post itself, this is the featured image, and this is the body of the post. So we have this right now, and you could actually go through it as someone that wants to read a blog post. Then there we are, we have a full blog post right there. Then this links takes us to the internal link and backlinking that I mentioned. So you could actually click on to see where it takes you to. So that's the essence of internal and backlink. So we have that for the blog post. Then now we have the article, the LinkedIn article. All I have to do is to nest this, and having to nest this, I can now publish my article right now here at Business Now. So you could tell your network what your article is about. So I could easily tell this to tell my network what my article is about. Tell my network what my article is about. Tell my network what this article is about. What this article, okay, what this article is about. So we have this right now, so I'm going to just get a brief of what the article is about, so we could input it right here to what we are to tell our network, or what to tell the business node network. So there we have you creating a custom blog post and you publishing a blog post as a content creator using Cloud to using Cloud AI to get your blog post and all that. So here we have that, and we are waiting for this to give us the simple. This says storytelling hook. It says, I know a founder who built an airtight business plan, perfect system, zero traction. Another who had, okay, so let's see the direct and punchy. So it gives us different version. Most founders fail not because they lack skill, but because they are building the wrong type of business for who they actually are. Your personality predicts how you lead. Okay, thoughts and leadership, the most underrated factor. I think I would prefer this direct and punchy. So let's go with diet and punchy right now. So I'm going to go with diet and punchy. So I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to come right here to input this. So it says most founders fail not because they lack skill, yes, but because they are building the wrong type of business. They okay, because they are building the wrong type of business. Your personality predicts how you lead, how you decide, how you hire, what business model you thrive in. I broke down the five. Okay, it's going to be we broke down. So it's going to be we broke down the five business personality type and what each one means for how you build. The visionary sees opportunity, other miss. The builder turns idea into scalable systems. Yes. The connector builds trust and loyal teams. Yes. The disruptor breaks markets and creates new one. Yes. And the operator maximizes efficiency and margin. Which one are you? Read the full breakdown. So we could have something like this. Read the full breakdown on Business Knob, and we could actually attach the actual blog post. We could attach that copy. So read the full here on Business Knob, and they could actually go into using this instead. So we have that and we are good to go. So all I have to do now is to have this sent. So we have these. So the official hashtag for Business Knob is Business Knob. So I've always advised there is an official hashtag. So this is Business Knob right there. Then there's another hashtag right now, which is entrepreneurship, and all I have to do is to publish my post. And that way, we've created an article and a blog post all together just to see and model how to go about writing a blog content. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.